Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox low memory warning. This is for both iPhone and iPad. Right? If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you want to go ahead and try to lower the graphics settings in game. All right, so what you do is just tap on the Roblox logo at the top. Now, go to go to settings right here, tap on it. Now, in here, what you do is just got to find graphics mode, okay, and graphics quality. So for graphics mode, choose left and right. You can set this one to automatic or lower it, okay? Lower it. If you want to as well, you got to choose reduce motion to on, okay? Turn it on and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, don't worry, you still have an option. You can go ahead and disable background apps. Let's say, for example, you have YouTube, Facebook, Instagram running right here in the background. To close it and check if it helps right here, okay? If that doesn't work, go ahead and double click or double tap on home, close the app, go to settings. In here under general, tap on it. We have here iPhone storage. Just tap on it. Now in here, go ahead and find an app that you don't actually need. For example, we have here TikTok and Facebook. It takes a lot of file size. Well, you're going to want to offload them or delete them entirely. Okay. Tap on TikTok, for example, and just offload the app. Okay, or delete it entirely right here. And once that's done, just make sure that you have at least 1 gig free. And after that, enjoy playing the game. That is it. And if that still won't work, go ahead and find Roblox. Tap on Roblox and you would want to offload the Roblox app. Okay, tap on offload, offload once more. Wait for the process to finish. Once done, tap on reinstall. Reinstall it, and after that, just go ahead and open it up once more. And you should be good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.